Hello everyone, I'm here again, this time to talk to you about the blogs we as students can see in our screen. The first one is this one that says latest announcements. Here you can see what is coming. In this case, for example, it says recording of live meeting and inactive participants. Okay, the other one is about the clock. It gives you the time exactly. Then the other one is about upcoming events, and you have the information for week 4 and week 5. And the last one is about the latest budgets. In my case, because of some lateness, I don't have any budgets yet. On the left side, you have the QR code. Here, the one that talks about the people, the participants in the course. Then the online users. At this moment, I am the only one here. And another block about the activities. You have external tools, forums, group selections, resources, some meetings, and finally one about the completion progress. Here we can see what we have achieved during the course. If it has a tick, it means the activity is complete, and if we have these ones that are in blue, it means that we haven't completed that activities yet. Here is the level up, okay, about the course, and these are all the blogs we can use in Moodle for Teachers. Thank you very much. I hope this video has been useful for you. See you. Bye.